In this video, I am going to show you how you can rotate any image inside the Apple numbers. So this is on sample document and here I have an image. I want to rotate this image. Suppose this is like this way. I want to position this image like this way. So how we can do this thing? You can rotate image as you want. So at first we need to select the image, then on the right side corner you will find format organize. We just need to click format and the toolbar window will be appear. From here we have to come to the image section. Here it is showing that this is the image information, which is this one. Now our goal was to rotate this thing, so we have to go to the arrange tab. Once we are in the arrange tab, it will give us all the options to do that. So this is the image and this is the arrange. Now here we will find one section is there which is called rotate, and there is a small circle. We can rotate by clicking here, or there is the easy way to rotate. The easy way rotate is here we just need to type the angle which we want to rotate. Suppose I want to rotate it by 90 degree. So we have to type it and hit return key of our keyboard and it will be rotated like this way. Now we can position the image as our own choice. So that's it. In this way we can easily rotate an image inside Apple numbers.